Let's look at some activities under logarithmic diff so we can better understand this topic. Okay, so let's say exercise number 1. Let's say we have to find dy over dx in its simplest form. Yeah? If we have y, it's equal to root of x sine squared of x, okay, over ln of 2x, okay. So how can we derive this one using logarithmic diff, okay? So we know the first rule of first rule of doing logarithmic differentiation tells us that we must apply ln both sides. So this means we'll have ln of y is equal to, then we'll go to the other side. This side will have ln of root of x, okay? But because between root of x and sine squared x we have a multiplication, this means we will add plus ln of sine square of x, okay. And then the division sign, it means we'll have subtraction, negative ln into ln of 2x, okay. So now all we have to do is to simplify it, and then we can derive it. So let's try to simplify it. This side will have ln of y, okay, it's equal. Now how can we simplify root of x? Yeah? We know good another form of root of x can also be x to the power 1 over 2, because a root, when it goes to the power, it becomes 1 over that number, that root. So now it means we will have ln into x to the power 1 over 2, okay, because of the root, plus, and then here we'll have ln, because the squared is on top of sine, we can take it out. This means we'll have sine of x squared minus, this one is ln into ln of 2x, okay. So now all we have to do is to derive both sides. Okay, this side, how to derive ln of y. Derivative of ln of y is 1 over y multiplied by dy over dx, because we are deriving our y. This side will have 1 over 2, it's a constant, and we know for our logs, the power can come down in front of the ln. This means we'll have 1 over 2 multiplied by derivative of ln x, which we know that it's equal to 1 over x, plus also 2 is power, therefore it has to come down because of the ln. This will be 2 multiplied by derivative of ln sine x. We know that the derivative of ln something, it's 1 over that something. This means we'll have 1 over sine of x multiplied by derivative of the inside. Derivative of the inside is the derivative of sine x. So what's the derivative of sine x? It's cos of x, okay, minus, then derivative of ln into something, it's 1 over that something, still the same thing. This means we'll have 1 over that something that is inside, ln of 2x multiplied by the derivative of the inside. Derivative of inside is the derivative of ln 2x, which means we'll have 1 over 2x multiplied by derivative of 2x. Chain rule, we have to derive everything. This means derivative of 2x is 2, okay? And then we can observe that these two will cancel off these two. Okay, so now we just have to simplify. Okay, so this side will have 1 over y dy over dx. That's equal to, this will become 1 over 2x plus, this will become 2 multiplied by cos of x over sine of x minus, this will become 1 over x ln of 2x. Okay, it's like that. But then still, this can be simplified even further. Okay, we know already sine x over cos of x is equal to tan of x. So what will be the opposite of that? This means that that cos of x over sine of x will be equal to what? Cot of x. Okay, so we can change that one. Therefore, we'll have 1 over y dy over dx. It's equal to 1 over 2x plus 2 cot of x minus 1 over x ln of 2x. Okay, now we just have to factor out dy over dx. Okay, so this means we'll have dy over dx, it's equal to y multiplies everything, 1 over 2x plus 2 cot of x minus 1 over x ln of 2x. Okay, it can be like that. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's look at another example. They're saying find dy over dx in its simplest if y is equal to x squared minus 1 to the power tan of x multiply by the cube root of x to the 4 minus 2x over e to the power x squared. Okay, first thing we know about logarithmic diff is that we have to apply ln both sides. This means we'll have ln of y, it's equal to okay, 1x squared minus 1 to the power tan x. Because tan x is a power and we're applying ln, we have to take it down. This means we'll have tan of x multiply by ln of x squared minus 1. Okay, and then because of the multiplication, we'll have addition plus, okay, cube root can also be written as 1 over 3. Okay, as also square root can also be written as 1 over 2. So cube root will be 1 over 3. So this will be ln of x to the 4 minus 2x to the power 1 over 3. Okay, minus, stop, minus the last one, e to the power x squared. It gives a minus because of the division sign. And then x squared, it's power, so we can bring it down because of ln. This will be x squared multiply by ln of e. Okay, but we know that ln of e, this is equal to 1, so we can just remove this one. Okay, so we'll have minus x squared. Okay, and then now we just have to derive everything. Let's derive derivative of ln y. It's 1 over y dy over dx equals to, and then now we have to derive this one, tan x multiplied by ln into x squared minus 1. Because it's a multiplication, we can use chain rule, or because it's so long, we can use chain rule. This means we can start with tan x, then we leave ln x squared minus 1 as a constant, and then we add, and then we derive ln x squared minus 1, we leave tan x as a constant. Okay, let's start with tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square of x. Okay, multiply by, we leave ln x squared minus 1 as a constant. Okay, and then we add. Now we derive ln of x squared minus 1, and then we know ln of something, it's 1 over something, 1 over that something, x squared minus 1 multiply by derivative of the inside, derivative of x squared minus 1, it's 2x using the power rule, multiplied by our constant, which is tan of x. Okay, and then we go to the second one, which is this one. Okay, so this will be plus our 1 over 3, our power 1 over 3, it comes down because of ln. 1 over 3 multiply by ln of something, it becomes 1 over that something. 1 over x to the 4 minus 2x multiply by derivative of the inside. Now we have to find the derivative of x to the 4th minus 2x. Using the power rule, this will be 4x to the cube minus 2. Okay, and then now we go to the last one. This one minus derivative of x squared using power rule. This is 2x. Okay, and then now just have to simplify everything. So this will become 1 over y dy over dx is equal to secant square of x ln of x squared minus 1 plus this becomes 2x tan of x over x squared minus 1 plus 4x to the cube over 2 over 3 into x to the 4 minus 2x minus 2x. Okay, now we just have to factor out dy over dx. This means that our answer will be dy over dx, it's equal to y into secant square of x ln of x squared minus 1 plus 2x tan of x over x squared minus 1 plus 4x cubed minus 2 over 3 to x4 minus 2x minus 2x. So this will be our final answer.